गुड इवनिंग बच्चा लोग.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening बच्चा लोग. Where are others? Others have taken a off today. Weekend off. Weekend is tomorrow. Today is Friday. Okay, we'll look for 1 minute more, otherwise we'll start. Check if somebody can connect with Kirti. Atharva, go on mute, Atharva. Okay, I think I should not wait more, so we'll start. And okay, I'll just inform Anjali. So we had seen yesterday, Bacha Log, what had we seen yesterday? We had seen concepts for triangles. For triangles, we need 6 sides and 6 angles. Correct? And now when I say a triangle has 3 sides, 2 triangles to be congruent, we need 6 things. Out of the 6 things, it is 3 sides and 3 angles. Yes, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'll share my screen here. So this is what we did till yesterday, if you remember. Shreya, याद है बच्चा ये वाला concept difficult जा रहा था. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
100% no, I'll move further, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
And ma'am, I want to tell you that I've in a school we have been provided by worksheet. It is not about the topic that you have already taught. So if I have some kind of doubt or I'm not able to solve, can you give me that solved?
Yes, I can. Somebody else has already taken that topic for you, some other teacher, right?
Which topic?
Which topic you want me to tell you the doubt, beta, for?
I was telling that that linear equations that you have not yet taught. Homework has been provided by a school for that. So
You can send it to Anjali ma'am. Tell it to Anjali ma'am. She can send it to me. I'll solve and send it back. No problem.
okay, ma'am.
Okay, bacha. All right. I want you guys to put your cameras on, else I'm putting you guys to waiting room. So you decide now. Everybody? Yeah, Kirti is joining. Good. All right. Either you guys are on, you have your cameras on, or you guys are put to waiting area. So you guys decide. Quick, half a minute.
Ma'am, I'm joining from my another device. I will switch on my camera there.
Yeah, that's okay.
Ma'am, I'm on my camera in 1 minute.
Swastik, Daksh, Aditya, Iman, Shivam.
अरे मैम मेरा कैमरा चालू है, आपको नहीं दिख रहा था?
दिख रहा है दक्ष, दिख रहा है.
दिख रहा है.
All right. Shivam, you're going to the waiting room, huh, beta? Shivam Menon, going to the waiting room. Okay, beta? Bye-bye.
मैम ऑन है.
अभी किया बोलो. All right. Look here. So, with the chapter, continuation to the chapter. अब मुझे दो ट्रायंगल्स को क्या करना है, इक्वल करना है. तो उसके लिए कुछ टेस्ट्स हैं हमारे पास. तो जो फर्स्ट टेस्ट है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज SSS टेस्ट. दैट्स कॉल्ड एज SSS टेस्ट, यानी कि साइड 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 टेस्ट. ओके, तो मैं कह सकती हूं कि ट्रायंगल ABC is congruent to DEF only when AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF. ये देखो, AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, AC is equal to DF. By which test? SSS test. Is it clear? So SSS test is easy, I believe, right? Samrit, I want your camera to be on. Okay. So
Yes,
look
ma'am.
at this. Look at this figure, which you can see in the diagram in the pink area there. AB is equal to DF, AC is equal to DE, and BC is equal to EF. Can I say both these triangles are congruent by SSS test? Yes, is it clear? दक्ष समझ रहा है? यानी कि मेरे तीन sides congruent है. Correct? So when my three sides are congruent, obviously my triangles are congruent. So which test we learned? We learned a test of SSS right now. Clear? Yes, Swastik. Thank you for the reward. Is it clear, Bachalok?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's look at the second test. The second test talks about SAS, where S is my side and A is my angle. अब ये ध्यान रखना है आपको, SAS टेस्ट में S is side, A is angle, S is side. ओके बच्चा, तो इसमें दो साइड्स के बीच में आई नीड एन इंक्लूडेड एंगल. आई नीड अ इंक्लूडेड एंगल. यहां पे देखो, साइड, एंगल एंड देन साइड, विच इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, Aditya, tell your brother to go away from you. He's disturbing you. Okay, so here side, angle and side. Is it clear? Side होना चाहिए, फिर angle होना चाहिए, and then another side. So an included angle is very important. It should have an included angle. Do you see this note here? So AB, side AB is equal to side DE. Angle B is equal to angle E. Correct? And side BC is equal to side EF. So I'll say triangle ABC is congruent to a triangle DEF by SAS test. अब बच्चों आप बोल सकते हो मुझे कि ये साइड, ये एंगल और ये साइड, मैं बोलूंगी चलेगा, which is AB, angle A and side AC, because it is side angle side. लेकिन if you tell me you have side AB, you have side BC and you have angle C, I'll say नहीं चलेगा. I'll say नहीं चलेगा. क्यों नहीं चलेगा? Because between the two sides I need the angle included. Can you see this included? Is it clear? So I believe SAS test, तो अभी तक हमने 2 टेस्ट पढ़ी हैं बच्चों. कौन सी 2 टेस्ट पढ़ी हैं हमने? SSS test, that is side, and SAS test, which is SAS test, side, angle, side. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay बच्चों.
नहीं समझा.
कौन सा नहीं समझा श्रेया?
SAS.
ये देखो, AB is a side, is congruent to PR. AC is a side which is equal to PQ. Angle A is equal to angle P. Side, angle, side. So this both triangles are congruent to each other by SAS test. अभी समझा कि अभी भी नहीं समझा?
मैम वो ABC and BCA वो दो एंगल SS में आएंगे क्या? नहीं.
कौन से ऐसा एंगल नहीं समझा मुझे वापस?
ABC and ACB.
ABC and ACB.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be CPCTC. Congruent parts of the congruent triangles. That's later. As of now, we are just studying the this thing अपना. ये देखो, CPCTC. That will come later. As of now, we are just studying the tests.
Ma'am, actually I have not understood that why you told that AC in the above triangle. Above triangle, why you told ACB is not SAS?
ACB is not SAS. Oh, obviously ACB is not. Let's say C. Okay, angle C. This and this अगर होता था तो it is not congruent by SAS test. Why? Because those side के बीच में I need this included angle compulsorily. If this is not included angle, ये angle होता और दो side होते, तो it is not SAS test. It is not SAS test. You need दो side के बीच में ही angle. ये देखो, ये भी side और इसके बीच में angle. ये भी side, इसके बीच में angle. Side, angle. Do you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear now?
Ma'am, so how ABC is coming in SAS?
How ABC is coming in? This is a side, Shreya. AB is a side. AC is a side. और ये दोनों के बीच में A is a angle. यहाँ पे भी वैसा ही है. This is a triangle का नाम. This is not the test का नाम. This is a triangle का नाम. ABC. Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS test. Is it okay now?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, beta?
Yes.
Swastik, what is SSS, beta?
Side.
Okay. Third, the third type of a test is ASA test. अब जैसे एंगल इंक्लूडेड चाहिए था, वैसे अब साइड इंक्लूडेड चाहिए. मतलब दो एंगल के बीच वाला ही साइड कंपल्सरीली मुझे लेना है. दो एंगल के बीच वाला साइड ही मुझे लेना है. डू यू सी दिस? अब I'll say angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and side AB is equal to side DE. Okay, so these both triangles, yani ki triangle ABC is equal to angle is congruent to triangle DEF by ASA test. श्रेयसी, I again say here कि अगर ये साइड की जगह यानी कि AB की जगह BC होता या AC होता तो ASA का टेस्ट हम नहीं कंसिडर करते थे, because you need a included side in between. You need a included side. दो एंगल के बीच में का साइड ही मुझे चाहिए. Is it clear now, Shreya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. दक्ष, कळतंय का काहीतरी? हो मॅम, अनम्यूट करायचं, नंतर बोलायचं.
हो मैम करते हैं.
Fourth, next test, AAS test. अब ये वाला कैसा है? दो एंगल चाहिए और फिर साइड चाहिए, इंक्लूडेड साइड नहीं चाहिए. इंक्लूडेड साइड नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है? एंगल A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, and BC is equal to EF. So in that case, I can say my triangles are congruent by AAS test. हमने फर्स्ट वाला टेस्ट देखा, that was SSS. सेकेंड वाला देखा, that was SAS. थर्ड वाला देखा, that was ASA. And the fourth one that we saw is AAS. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
So all four tests are 100% clear.
Ma'am, can you repeat for the first one?
This is SSS test. All three sides of the triangle 1 are congruent to or equal to all three sides of the other triangle are equal to the sides of the other triangle. यानी कि AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF, and AC is equal to DF. Okay, Samrit?
Yes, ma'am.
So quick 1 minute's time. I want you guys to recollect all four tests and then I go to the next part. Let me know if you have any doubt. Any doubt, any queries to anybody, बच्चा लोग? शिवम, समझा कुछ?
हाँ मैम.
चारों टेस्ट समझा बेटा?
हाँ मैम.
ओके. I'm not able to understand Aditya. Unmute yourself and you can talk to me. Okay, can I move further? Okay, Aditya. So what do you have in the rest of the pages? You might have solved examples. Yes, please send. Okay. I want you guys to look here. The next is a precaution. Now, what do I mean by the precaution? While using the axiom AAS test. Okay. अब ध्यान से देखना है. पहले इस triangle को देख लो. When I say side BC is opposite to equal to EF. So basically, this side is opposite to equal angles. In this case, now look at this diagram. Side AC and side EF are equal, but it is not AAS test. It is not AAS test. Why it is not AAS test? Because the two equal sides must be the corresponding sides. That is, the side must be opposite. Now, this is very important. Opposite to equal angles of the triangles under consideration. ठीक है? Opposite to the equal angles. मतलब जो side भी होना चाहिए ना AAS test में, वो क्या होना चाहिए? वो कैसा होना चाहिए? It should be side opposite to the equal angles. ये देखो, जैसे ये वाला एंगल Q इधर है, एंगल R इधर है, दोनों के ऑपोजिट वाला साइड. So this is PQ. Similar way, LN. Only in that situation, you're going to have AAS test to be considerate. Otherwise, you cannot consider such a triangle. Okay. Aditya, are you sending the PDF, beta? Should I wait or should I go ahead? Okay, you're sending. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll do this note. Yes, thank you, Aditya. AAS is another form of ASA. How? Let's look at it. Angle A is equal to angle D from the diagram. Correct? Angle B is equal to angle E from diagram. अब ASA टेस्ट क्या होता है? मेरा साइड AB should have been equal to DE. तो वो क्या हो जाता था? एंगल साइड एंगल टेस्ट. बराबर? Here हमको क्या दिया हुआ है? AC is equal to DF. अब मेरे ट्रायंगल्स तो कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए. किससे कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए? एंगल साइड AAS टेस्ट से. करेक्ट? बराबर? नाउ यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग कि अगर ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल हैं तो जाहिर सी बात है एंगल C विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल F. नाउ थिंक एंड अंडरस्टैंड. ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल है ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल, और ट्रायंगल में होती 3 एंगल्स हैं. अब 3 में से 2 कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं, तो बची हुई थर्ड वाली कॉन्ग्रुएंट होने ही वाली है, तो एंगल सी इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू एंगल एफ। अब अगर ध्यान से देखोगे, एंगल साइड एंगल, can I say this can be also proved as that angle C is equal to angle F. Angle C is equal to angle F. Therefore, it is angle side angle. Test से congruency. ये देखो. Yes, no, don't know.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. श्रेया समझा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For the people who have switched off their cameras, be ready. Let me finish this. Be ready to move to the waiting area. Okay. Where's Rehan today? Rehan is taken off.
Can you repeat?
Sorry. स्वास्तिक क्या बोला, नहीं समझा मुझे. तू मैसेज कर भाई, तू मैसेज ही ठीक है, चैट भेज दे, मैसेज सुनाई दे रहा है. हाँ नेटवर्क इशू है, चैट पे मैसेज भेज दो तुम, बेटर. ओके, द नेक्स्ट टेस्ट, so far we have done 4 tests: SSS test, SAS, ASA and AAS. Okay, now the fifth test. The fifth test is called as RHS test. That is, 2 right-angled triangles are congruent. 2 right-angled triangles are congruent. अभी कैसे congruent? Hypotenuse से congruent हो जाता है. One side of the triangle is congruent to the other side of the triangle and 90 degree. बराबर? Hypotenuse से match हो जाता है. One side with other side of the triangle match हो जाता है. And this 90 and this 90. ठीक है? Is RHS test. Okay? तो 90 डिग्री वाला सम आएगा तो RHS ही यूज करना है और कुछ यूज करना नहीं है. ओके, नाउ before I proceed further, I would want you to remember 6 different things, or rather 6 things in common about 2 congruent triangles. Now 3 things you have proved. आप कोई भी टेस्ट ले लो, सब में 3 चीजें आ रही हैं. SSS ले लिया तो 3 साइड आ गए, मतलब 3 एंगल बच गई वैसी की वैसी. Okay, let me write down. That would be easier for you and for me both. Okay. So the first test that we saw is SSS. Now in a triangle, we have 3 angles and 3 sides. Total 6 things. 3 angles and 3 sides. हमने जो भी टेस्ट की है उसमें हमारी 3 चीजें प्रूव होती हैं कि आर इक्वल, and with the help of which we say that the triangles are congruent. बराबर? करेक्ट? अब बची हुई 3 चीजों का क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, लेट्स थिंक अबाउट इट. ओके, Rehan, I finished all the tests. Pay attention, I'm taking a recap. So the first test that we did was side test. Okay, I just remembered you. I just said why Rehan is missing today. Okay, SSS test. Side यानी कि 2 triangles के तीनों sides congruent है. Okay, CPCT से क्या होने वाला है, मेरे अगर 3 साइड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हैं तो मेरी बची हुई एंगल्स ऑटोमेटिकली कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो जाती हैं, इक्वल हो जाती हैं. Let's look at the second test. The second test that we did was SAS test. Which test? SAS. यानी कि the triangle will have ये दो sides समझो congruent है and included angle. So it's side, angle, side test. Third, ASA, दो angles उसके बीच का side. So here, if this angle and this angle are congruent, this is my included side. The fourth one that we did was AAS test. So we're talking about this angle, and another side. Last but not the least, the fifth one that we saw right now was RHS, and that is only applicable for right angled triangles. This is very important, only for 90 degree right angle triangle. ये angle हो गया, ये side हो गया, and hypotenuse. Using this, we'll be able to say that my triangles are congruent. Is it clear? My triangles are congruent. Aditya, that's okay. Thank you so much for the book, for the chapter. Okay. Is it clear? All 5 tests are
मैम
clear?
मैम 10 में से 8 मिला मैम टेस्ट में.
गेम खेल के बाकी 2
नहीं मैम, वो 5 क्वेश्चंस थे, 2-2 मार्क्स के, वो एक गलत हो गया थोड़ा सा.
Where have, okay, yes, here it is. See the uncle. Okay, did you understand, Rehan? Did you understand all 5 tests?
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Give me a moment. I'll share the PDF shared by Aditya, so it will be easier. It will match your textbooks. Mine is old version. Okay. So here we go, and we have discussed, oh yes, that's the side part, the altitude we did the corollaries, we also did congruent to, we also did, okay, so till here, yeah, everything is same. The first is SAS test, okay. Okay, that includes the proofs. Your books includes the proofs as well. Correct? But we did that as well, because from the diagram, we say that this is equal to this is equal to this. Therefore, okay. Some of the SSS test is niche, okay. Some of the proofs we might need to work with. Okay. Yeah, that is why the page number difference is there. Correct. The precaution we did. Importance to write, we are just doing right now. And then we can start with the problems. Okay. Okay. Look here for the part that we left midway. Let's complete that first. So the given figure shows 2 congruent triangles A, B, and C, and D, E, F. So what I see here in this case, I see angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle C, and angle C is equal to angle F. Is it correct? I'll say I also see that side AB is equal to side DE, side BC is equal to side EF, and side AC is equal to side DF. Do you agree to this? So, in case when I want to say that these triangles are congruent, okay, these triangles are congruent. So, there are corresponding vertices, okay. So, here, if you look at it, vertex A is corresponding to vertex D, B is corresponding to E, C is corresponding to F. Correct? This is what is done here. A is to D, B is to E, and C is to F. A is to E. Now here the correspondence is A is to E. Okay? B is to D. And C is to F. So you need to write the triangle ka name in the similar way. I don't want you to write DEF only here. It would be EDF. It would be EDF. Okay? And here in this case, when A is corresponding to F, it would be FDE. So that's how the labeling, the naming. Samrit, pay attention. Iman, where are you? I cannot see you. लेबलिंग समझ में आया कैसे करना है बच्चा लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
खाली अथर्व को ही समझ में आता है. Only अथर्व replies all the time yes ma'am. Rest everybody. Is it clear बच्चा लोग? So similar triangles के लिए you have to keep into mind how you have to label it. Okay? Yes. Let us quick look at one or two questions which makes it easy for you how to apply these tests. Look here. P is any point in the angle ABC. Now this is my angle ABC. Such that the perpendiculars drawn from point P on AB, such that from perpendiculars drawn from point P on AB and BC are equal. So here it's perpendicular, so this becomes 90, PM and PN, and they are equal. It's said in the question. Prove that BP, so you'll have to draw this line here, BP bisects angle ABC. Bisects मतलब ये triangle और ये triangle अगर congruent prove हो जाता है तो definitely it is bisects. Now let's see how. So the construction says join PB. We have already joined. Now in triangle, so we have now made two triangles. Now which are the two triangles? The first triangle is PMB and PNB. So these are my two triangles. My PN is equal to PM. Why? Given in the question. My angle PMB is equal to angle PNB. Why? Because it is 90 degrees. और मैंने बोला था 90 डिग्री आएगा तो RHS वाला टेस्ट याद आना चाहिए आपको. Side B, side PB is equal to side PB. Why? Because it is common side. Correct? It is common to both the triangles. So can I say this triangle, that is my triangle PMB and triangle PNB, both are congruent. How are they congruent? Using RHS. Can I say now angle PBM and angle PBN? Okay, this angle and this angle is, so I'm talking about this angle is bisected, correct? Can I say this angle and this angle are equal? Yani ki angle PBM and angle PBN are equal by CPCTC. Now what is CPCTC?
Ma'am,
Congruent parts of
congruent.
congruent triangles are also congruent. Remember, मैंने बोला था 6 चीजें. Do you remember I said 6 things? If 3 you are proving
Yes, ma'am.
with the help of some test, the other 3 are bound to be congruent, are bound to be equal. Why? C, P, C, T, C. Now what do I mean by that? Congruent parts of congruent triangles are also congruent. Okay? Congruent parts of congruent triangles are also congruent. C, P, C, T, C. Is it okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shivam, why are you laughing, Daksh? आप लोग को चैट ही करना है तो you guys can chat at आराम से with your WhatsApp. No, why are you
नहीं
using?
मैम वो दक्ष से बेहतर था.
You want me to talk to your mama, Shivam?
No मैम.
I think that will be easier for you and me both. Okay. I want you guys to, I believe everybody has a textbook. I want you guys to go through question number 2. See if you can prove it that it is a rhombus. And then we can go to the next part of it. Come on, quickly, everybody. Everybody check your textbooks, quick.
Which exercise?
I've not started the exercise still. Page number 120 of your textbook. Iman, switch on your camera. Swastik, switch on your camera, beta.
Ma'am, can you repeat what to do now?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you repeat what to do now?
Page number 120 पे ना rhombus का question है. Solved example in your textbook. I want you to look at that if you are able to understand that question on your own. I mean, how the test is used and everything. Because the next part is, again, I will be breaking up the triangle. So if you are able to understand that, then I can go further. Okay, Kirti. Kirti, you have entire chapter triangles for your test or only few exercises?
No, ma'am, entire chapter, ma'am. There are only 2 exercises.
मैम ये हम लोग को लिखने का है.
देखने का है सिर्फ कि समझ में आ रहा है खुद से. लिखने के लिए होमवर्क में आएगा all solved examples and all the tests. Because tomorrow I would be starting up with 9A beta. 9A has huge number of sums if I'm not wrong. Yes, it has 15 questions, correct?
Yes मैम.
Ideally, actually, for the triangles as a chapter, if you look at it, no, Kirti, this is a crux that I'm taking today, no? That's the crux of the entire chapter. But then you'll have variety of chapters here. I mean, variety of sums here. they've included circles, they'll include quadrilaterals, then right angle triangles, and then the isosceles triangle, and so on and so forth. So you need to apply brain and think how which test and how it is going to be applicable. That I'm going to take in some 3 right now. So we'll see how to break a triangle. So once we know how to break a triangle, so we'll be able to decide that this side is equal to this. Okay, then this angle is equal to this. Okay, then this side is also equal. Then it is side angle side test. Soja, Daksh, you already, more than 50% down. Sleep, Baba. Good night. I'm saying lullaby, no here. No sitting on the bed from tomorrow. Okay? Hmm. Okay, Iman is back. Iman घूमने गए थे? Okay. I think that any nobody has doubts with the second one. It is pretty easy. Can I go to the third question? Anybody wants me to explain the second question? Please let me know. Anybody wants me to explain कि rhombus कैसे आया? Yes, no, कुछ तो बोलो यार, आया नहीं आया, मैं कराऊं.
Yes, ma'am.
Only Kirti. बाकी लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at here. Bacha log, look at this third sum. Understand it nicely. In a triangle ABC, the sides AB and AC are equal. See, they are already saying कि ये side AC and AB is equal. AB and AC is equal. If P is a point on AB, P is a point on AB, and Q is a point on AC, such that AP is equal to AQ, AP is equal to AQ. अब AB इक्वल था AC से, वो भी हमने देख लिया, करेक्ट? AB इक्वल था AC से, AP इक्वल है AQ से, इतना हमको मालूम है, इतना गिवन है हम. अब प्रूव करना है ट्रायंगल APC, ट्रायंगल APC. Can you see this? See, this is how to break a triangle. If you are able to redraw the figure, it would be much more easier for you. अभी इसमें देखो, हमको मालूम है एंगल A is common to angle A. Angle side AC is equal to side AB because it is given. AP is equal to AQ because it is given. Can I say these both triangles are congruent by side angle side test. Side angle side test. I see, I think, and I wonder. Daksh, is it clear? If you will see only, then you will understand. So look at the screen. Okay. Next, second one. Triangle BPC. Now is my BPC? BPC. देखो उसको वापस तोड़ के ड्रॉ किया इधर. BPC. And CQB. CQB. How? Now understand how. Look at it very nicely. AB इक्वल है AC से, बराबर है? मानते हैं आप इस बात को? AB इक्वल है AC से क्योंकि गिवन है हमको क्वेश्चन में. AP AQ से भी इक्वल है, वो भी गिवन है हमको क्वेश्चन में. लुक हियर, करेक्ट? तो PB क्या है? PB तो बचा हुआ पार्ट है ना, तो ऑब्वियसली BP will be equal to CQ. BP will be equal to CQ. Yes, no, don't know. ये स्टेप समझ में आया, नहीं समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In triangle BPC and CQB, What is happening? My BP is equal to CQ. अभी just prove किया हमने. CP is equal to BQ. CP is equal to BQ. अब ये कहाँ से आया? ये वाला ट्रायंगल देखो, ये वाले दो ट्रायंगल देखो. CP is equal to BQ by CPCTC. Congruent parts of congruent triangles are also congruent. Aya? And BC is equal to BC. Why? Because it is a common side. Triangle BPC is congruent to triangle CQB by SSS test. समझा? नहीं समझा? Did you understand, बच्चा लोग?
Yes, ma'am.
Now think, if we would not have divided this diagram like this, you think we would have been able to get this kind of a proof? No. इधर बहुत खचड़ी हो जाता था सब यही डायग्राम में करने को. Is it clear? Did you understand?
Ma'am,
बोलो श्रेया.
in the first part of the question, in the third point, that angle CAP is equal to angle BAQ, why it is written common? Why
Because
not given?
it is not given. Angle A is equal to angle A will be equal to angle A, na? Angle A will be equal to angle A, na, बच्चा?
Yes, ma'am.
ये देखो. It is not given, but it is understood that इधर ये triangle में भी angle A है, ये triangle में भी angle A है. So obviously they are going to be equal. The same is happening here also, no? ये देखो, BC side और ये BC side दोनों में common है, इसीलिए equal है. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand or नहीं? Shreya, did you understand, beta?
No, ma'am.
No, na?
No.
Okay. Swastik, I'll explain one more time. Don't worry. That's okay. You understood good enough.
Ma'am, will tomorrow class be there?
Yes. What is special tomorrow? 15th August?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are celebrating 15th August together online on Zoom. Okay, beta?
Okay.
Shreya, look here, beta. Shreya, you are able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
This is my actual triangle ABC. ठीक है? अब इस ABC के मैंने दो पार्ट्स बनाए. कौन से? APC और AQB या ABQ बेटर. ठीक है? ओके श्रेया?
Yes, ma'am.
दिस इज एक्चुअली द सेम. ये दोनों मिला के ही ये ट्रायंगल बन रहा है ना. तो उसमें जो ये एंगल है, ए एंगल, वो दोनों में सेम है, लेकिन मैंने दो ट्रायंगल्स बनाए हैं, इसीलिए आई एम सेइंग इट इज कॉमन. डू यू सी दैट दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द ट्रायंगल व्हिच इज मेड हियर? ये देखो, दिस बिकम्स माय वन ट्रायंगल. डू यू सी द ब्लैक पेन मार्किंग?
Yes, ma'am.
And now see this blue pen marking. Do you see black and red, black and blue overlapping here on A?
Yes.
Can I say angle A is equal to angle A now? Which is a common angle in both the triangles?
Ma'am, so can we also write angle A is equal to angle A common?
You can write angle A, but then we have two different triangles, no beta? So that's why we need names here now. CAP and BAQ. So to give it proper name, CAP and BAQ. ऐसा. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka 100%?
Yes.
Okay. So I stop here for the today. But chalo, what I want from you guys is all the 5 tests. 5 टेस्ट किया हमने. 5 का 5 टेस्ट अच्छे से रिवाइज करना है, लिखना है. Okay. And 4 solved examples of this before this 9A exercise. Tomorrow I'll start with 9A. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
All-
ma'am.
All right. Take care, bacha log. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Jada.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Bye, bacha. Bye. You guys can leave the meeting.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, beta. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Samrid, yeah, bye. Samrid, Rehan, Iman, Swastik, leave the meeting. Shivam, leave the meeting.
Ma'am, you took my name. Hello. Rayan.